Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called divides evenly. It says given two integers a and b, return true if a can be divided evenly by b. Return false otherwise. So as you can see from the examples, the function divides evenly. We have a and b, which is 98 and 7. These are the two integers. So 98 divided by 7 divides evenly, so we return true. And in the second example, we have 85 and 4. So 85 divided by 4, we get 21.25. So as you can see from the notes, A will always be greater than or equal to B. So let's go to the code tab. What we're going to do to solve this to see if it divides evenly or not, we're going to use the modulus operator, as I like to call it, just mod operator. This is going to let us know if there's any remainder at all. And we can do this again this way is how I would solve it. A mod B, and check if it's equal to 0. That means there's it divides evenly. There's no remainder, so it's going to return true. And obviously, if it doesn't equal to 0, it's going to return false. So this is going to return, should pass all the tests. Okay, but again, just a reminder, if you are new, so this is going to mean the same as what I answered previously, the way I used it. If A mod B is equal to 0, so we're going to use an if-else statement, return true. So that means, again, if there is no remainder, return true. And this is going to work the same way the previous way I did it worked. As you can see, I passed all the tests. So again, this is going to be the same as this. So yeah, if you want me to continue doing more coding solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.